So students, let's go on the second exercise for today. This is this element. So let's open the NX file. So firstly, let's create first section course. So for example, you can select display, press display, and press OK. So we will draw the here for the beginning the ellipse here with the dimensions of the 50 and 30. So go to the sketch, select the ellipse, select the origin, and this is the here the let me see here is 50 along the this and the radius is the here is the this distance is the 30. So it is the 15. Let me check, it's 15. No, let's make it 30. So and 50 along the radius is the along the this is the 50. So and press OK. Now create the new datum plane, finish sketch, create the datum plane at a distance from the here the selected the distance from here is the distance. Let's see the distance. You see here we have the 70 until here the 140. Press enter. Now sketch in this new datum plane the circle with a diameter of the 50. Press enter. Not I mean it is not 50 but just don't finish the sketch, double click here and delete this one. Sorry, delete this one and sketch again the circle with a diameter of the 50 and finish the sketch. Let make change this one. So it was the here the distance was the 15, the radius 15. Now it's correct. So this is our the two section course. So now let's try the draw the middle line. So here the select this one and go to the curve, three-dimensional curve, select just a line and select this point and this point and this point this point. So this is our the lines and convert them to the reference line, this one and this one. Finish the sketch again, go to the line and draw the additional lines here, the vertical lines 1 2 3. Let's see, 1 2 3 is enough. The distance is 35 of this line. So go to the dimension, distance from here to here is the 35. This distance also the 35. Make this distance, make it 0. So finish it, double click again, and just to check that this distance is the 35 or no, it should be the 35, so it's correct. So just convert this center lines to the reference line. So we obtained this system. Now we can create here the arc with the radius of the 293. Go to the arc, and from here to here is the 293. So now let's go on. We draw here the circles here with the radius of the 15 circles. The diameter is the 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5. Now using the geometry constraint, we'll make the constraint the tangent of this one either this one and this one. So now we will create the arcs between these circles. And in this one and this one is the radius is the 20. And here also the 20. Now let's draw here the line to here and just connect this one and go to the trim and make the trim of this unnecessary lines here, this one, and you can take like this, trim these ones, all these lines inside the lines here also, here, and that's all. So we can finish the sketch. This is the sketch. So now we will make it swap. In order to create the system, go to the home, select the swap, and select this circle and add new set, and select this circle, reverse the direction, and here there's a guide curve, select this one, add new set, and select this one. So press OK. So main body is ready now. Now we will create this upper part here, this part. So distance is here is the 25 and the diameter is 20 and distance here is 15. Let's do it. Here distance is 25. Let's create the dalton plane at a distance of the 25 from this surface. 25 and sketch, select this new plane, press OK, and draw the circle here. No, it should be on the dead side. Sorry, just a moment. It is the circle side, so it should be let's delete all of them. Okay, so and we can hide delete on the sorry, not this one. So let's draw the dalton plane in this side. It's a 25. Press OK. Select sketch, select the plane, press OK. Draw the circle with the diameter of the 20 and extrude it here in the reverse direction at a distance of the 15. Press OK. So let's hide this one. Now using the through curve I will connect these two elements. So select this edge, add new set, and select this edge, add new set, and here first make it 0 0 and select as a tangent this face, and here select the tangent again this face, so you will obtain the shape here like this. Press OK. This is our element. You see, now we can hide here the sketch and the coordinate system and also the dalton planes and so on. Press close. So this is our element, and we can make it shell element since it is the shell, like this one. So press OK. Just a moment. Let's delete the shell. Let's firstly make it unite. This one, this one, this one. Press OK. Let's try to shell now. Let's see if it is the shell system or no. Go to the section. This one. Now you see it becomes the shell element. But this one is not becomes the shell. Select the shell again here. Okay, it should be select this one. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. So press OK, and this one. So this is our element. Go to the view, object display, select the object, and press OK. Go to the color and select the color. So this is our second practice for today, so you can obtain such a complex shapes as a bottles